Hello guys, today we will be unboxing the all-new Amazon's Echo Dot 3rd generation. So let's proceed further and see what all features we get with it. Before unboxing, let's have a quick scan over the box. At the front, we have the branding of Amazon and it comes with far-field voice control. On the other side of the box, we have some features like it has an Alexa voice assistant, comes with an audio line out, has the latest Bluetooth version, a dedicated microphone, off-on button, and works with Wi-Fi. Let's see what we have inside the box. Inside the box, we have an Echo Dot with some paperwork, including an installation guide, a user manual, things you should try with Amazon Echo Dot, and a power adapter. At the top, we have 4 buttons, 2 for volume up and down, 1 is to mute the microphone, and the last is to activate Alexa. The product has a matte black finish and is surrounded by fabric mesh on its edges. We have 2 ports, one for power and another a 3.5mm audio jack. Amazon Echo Dot can be used for various tasks like setting timers, playing your favorite music and controlling your smart home services. Amazon Echo Dot can be used for various tasks like setting timers, playing your favorite music and controlling your smart home devices. If you want to make your home smart and make your life easier, this Echo Dot will help you do so.